Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today I am on a brand new 2023 RZX 24 by Tige. This boat is going to be the widest bow of the three offerings. So this is the pickle fork front. They'll have nice deep seats, full width of the boat, and go all the way up to the bow. If you're looking for a front play area or a front tanning bed, this is the model for you since you do have that. You also will have the cup holders, grab handles, and lighting controls for the front of the boat. As we move in for 2023 and above, they have switched to an Audison sound system. So the Audison is an Italian-made stereo system. The quality is phenomenal. They sound just as good at 25% as they do at 95%. I'd love to show you some of this and other boats that have it on the dock. This will have the Tige TAPS 3T. So for your surf controls, you'll just go to your surf tab, click surf. When you hit go, it'll set up all of the boat with your ballast, your speed control, and your tab set up. So it takes all the guesswork out of setting up your boat. You just click it. By the time you hit your no-wake zone in about 8 minutes, the boat is ready to go. This is going to be the 24-foot model, so you have seating for 19 of you and your closest friends. Some of the options on this boat that make it wonderful is the built-in trash cans right here behind your driver's seat. Has a little trash receptacle down below. You also have your surf seat that flips over so you can fit 5 wide while you're watching your friends wake surf, or if you have your companion here, making sure that you are spotting for everybody. You'll have nice gator steps as you walk through, so you're never having to step on any of your vinyl and stretching that out. And standard on most of the models now is the stadium styled seats. This is a well-equipped boat, well-optioned boat, and we'd love to see if this is a model for you. So when you get a chance, give us a call. MarineMax Georgia here on Lake Lanier is ready to help.